Good morning, class 5th students. This is English class, and today we are going to start chapter 5 verbs in English second. Verb is a action word. Verb is an action word, and verbs express action, being, and position. We cannot form a sentence without a verb. Sometimes we use more than one word to form the verb in a sentence. Example: Smita walks in the garden. In this sentence, one word walks, it is verb. And second, Smita is walking in the garden. In this sentence, two words are verb, is and walking. Some verbs express actions like this: go, sit, run, crawl, scream. Different forms of the verb be tell us what a person or a thing is. Like this: is, are, am, was, were, been, being. Different forms of the verb have show possession or belonging: has, have, had. Okay, the verbs be, have, and do be used both as main verbs and as helping verbs. Example: he is a handsome boy. In this sentence, is it is a main verb. And second sentence, Riya is going to school. In this sentence, is it is a helping verb, and going it is a main verb. And third sentence, Sam has a pet dog. In this sentence, has it is a main verb, and Sam has completed his work. Then has it is a helping verb. I do my work very fast. In this sentence, do it is a main verb, and see last sentence, he does not go to bed before 9 p.m. In this sentence, does it is helping verb. Subject verb agreement: the subject and the verb in a sentence must agree in number. See sentence: a worm wriggles in water. In this sentence, a worm, it is a singular, means subject is singular and verb also write in singular. Okay, when subject is singular, that time verb also we are using singular form. See, a worm, it is singular. A worm, it is subject and written in singular. Then verb is wriggles, it is also singular, in water. And worms wriggle in water. Then worms, it is plural. That time verb also used in plural. If the subject in a sentence is singular, the verb should also be singular. The hen lays an egg. Rafik is playing football. If the subject in a sentence is plural, the verb should also be plural. Hence lay eggs. Rafik and Joseph are playing football. With you and I, we always use a plural verb. You are happy today. You are happy today. You type with your eyes closed. Amazing. I swim very well. Next, transitive and intransitive verb. The object in a sentence is the word that receives the action of the verb. My father bought a blue car. In this sentence, bought, it is a verb, and a blue car. Blue car, it is a object. Transitive verb. A transitive verb always takes an object. The shelf holds. Okay, it is incomplete without an object. Okay, when we are write the object, then it is complete. Okay, the shelf holds 3 books. Then it is complete sentence, because they are written object, 3 books. An intransitive verb does not take an object. The train arrived on time. In this sentence, only arrived, it is a verb. Then it is an intransitive verb, because there is no object is needed. Many verbs can be either transitive or intransitive depending on how they are used in sentence. Used in a sentence, see, the audience watched The play Julius Caesar. It is a transitive verb because they are written the object. And in second sentence, the cook watched while the vegetables were being cut. In this sentence, intransitive verb. An easy way to find out um, whether a verb is transitive or intransitive is to ask the question who and what to the verb. If there is an answer, the verb is transitive. See, Winnie played cricket. Who played cricket? Winnie played cricket. Okay. And Winnie played what? Cricket. So the verb is transitive. Okay. Winnie played. Then otherwise question who? No answer. Winnie played what? Winnie played what? Played Winnie. Then cricket. So the verb is transitive. Second, Smita slept early today. Smita slept who? No answer. Smita slept what? No answer. So the verb is intransitive.